Morning, my dear children. Today, in this recall session, we are going to see about banking of curves. Okay, banking means the outer side of the road is bit raised than the inner side. That is called as banking. And what is the objective here? We have to understand the role of friction and circular motion. And maximum allowed speed while taking a turn we are going to calculate, and for that we are doing this banking of roads. And here you can see that in the case of circular road, the outer side of the road is bit raised than the inner side. That is called as banking. When it is moving in a circular path, it needs friction. That friction is not supplied necessarily by the level road. There are some complications. Two wheelers means it is not a problem. Four wheelers means necessary friction cannot be supplied by level road. So we are going for banking. Here the normal force is given by the force of attraction mg, and Fs we know the formula mu into m into g. Okay, where mu is the coefficient of static friction. Centripetal force Fc is equal to mv squared divided by r, where r is the radius of the circle. And this Fc should be lesser than Fs maximum, then only we can avoid skidding. Okay, appo Fc means centripetal force. mv squared by r should be lesser than or equal to mu into m into g. And here m gets cancelled. V squared is lesser than or equal to mu r g, or v is less than or equal to square root of mu r g. Okay, the velocity with which the car should take a turn is greater than mu r g. If it is lesser than that, it will have a skidding. Skidding means it will slide towards the inner part along the tangent. It will skid if it is lesser like this. Okay, in order to avoid this only we are doing this banking. Okay, and F is equal to mv squared by r is the centripetal force we know already. And if we are having a banking, outer side is bit raised means there won't be skidding. The outer side leveled banked road, it is banked through an angle theta, and this banking supplies the necessary centripetal force by the force of friction for a four wheeler. Two wheeler it is not a bigger issue. So this normal is now divided into its components n cos theta and n sin theta, and n sin theta is acting towards the center, so it is equal to that of the centripetal force. And n cos theta, it is the component which is acting down, so it is equal to that of the force with which earth attracts, that is m into g. So n cos theta is equal to m into g. So this condition n sin theta divided by n cos theta, mv squared by r divided by mg. So tan theta is equal to v squared by rg, or v is equal to square root of rg tan theta. Okay, v is equal to square root of rg tan theta. So whenever we are having a banking, the car gains the necessary centripetal force by this banking, and it for the normal velocity itself it will not skid, it does not undergo skidding. It takes the advantage of the friction. Okay, rate or speeded or balancing speed v is equal to square root of rg tan theta. You know already tan theta is equal to mu s. That mu s into rg is only given as rg tan theta. Okay, so here you can see that banking means for a safe speed while taking a turn on a horizontal road, vs is less than or equal to mu rg. Horizontal means straight road. And safe speed when the object is turning on a smooth banked road, v is less than or equal to square root of rg tan theta. Thank you and have a good day, my dear children.